Good morning, guys. Alright, I'm gonna make me some breakfast. Just gonna make me an egg and ham cheese sandwich, something easy and real quick. But today we have a beautiful, beautiful day. It is supposed to be 76 degrees today in December. It's a good thing about the desert. So I will be going to do a hike today. I'm gonna go hiking through the desert, and I'm not gonna take little one this time. I'm gonna actually leave her in the bus while I go do this little hike, because I just wanted to have some mama time today, some me time. So just real quick, as I'm filming this right now, yesterday, as you guys all know, my Aunt Cindy, that I talk about a lot, her dog had to be laid to rest yesterday. So it was a little difficult day for us, because, you know, dogs are part of our family. And Aunt Cindy, if you guys know me, y'all know how I feel about animals and how I feel about dogs and how I feel about my little one. And Aunt Cindy is the same way about dogs also. So today, while I go do a hike, I will be doing this hike for my aunt and for Rocky. Because out of all the dogs that my aunt has ever had, Rocky was always my #1 favorite dog. An amazing, amazing dog. And at the end of this video, I'm going to include some pictures that I have of Rocky that I've saved over all the years. And you guys can just see what a beautiful, handsome dog he was. But for right now, I'm going to finish cooking my breakfast, get dressed, and get ready for my hike through the desert. Okay, I'm ready to go hiking finally. So, I'm not going to do a really long hike just because I do not like leaving little one in the bus by herself for a long period of time. I do have 2 friends that I'm camping with, so there is somebody here at the site, but I just don't like leaving my baby alone for a very long time. So she does have separation anxiety issues with her mama. But since I'm doing a short hike, I'm not really going to take a backpack. All I'm going to take is my bottle of water, my GoPro, my camera, you know, so I can film. And that's about it. And then, yes, look, guys, I have my hiking tennis shoes on. So I do go hiking a lot in flip-flops. And every time I do hiking videos and I'm wearing my flip-flops, I get a lot of comments about I should not be wearing flip-flops while I'm hiking. Now, back in the day, before I started traveling and before I started living this lifestyle, I did a lot of hiking back in the day. I used to climb to the mountain peaks and everything. And you guys, not all you guys, but the ones that give me crap for hiking in my flip-flops, y'all would have probably fell off your couch or seat knowing that back in the day I used to actually hike barefooted. That's right, barefooted. And the reason why is because I feel like I'm more with nature, hiking barefooted. Now, I don't really hike barefooted anymore because nowadays there's so much trash along the trails, and meaning there's glass and all kinds of stuff. It's just not good to hike barefooted anymore. Sad, but there's not a trail that I've never hiked before over the last couple of years where I haven't found trash or glass. So the next best thing is hiking in my flip-flops. But when I am in the desert, I do not hike in my flip-flops, because in the desert we have scorpions, we have rattlesnakes, we have tarantulas, we have all kinds of creepy crawlers, and they blend in with this desert color. So I do not hike in the desert in flip-flops at all. So, got the hiking shoes on and ready to go hiking. It is already warm this morning. I'm sure you guys could see the sun hitting my face right now. So, like I said, it's supposed to be 76 today, sunny. So meaning it's probably going to feel like it's 80 or 81, somewhere around there. But, like I said, I'm only doing a short hike. One of the things I love about the Arizona desert, by the way, guys, is all the cactuses. And each cactus has a different formation. There was one time a couple of years ago, I thought it would be funny to make a video of me hiking somewhere with a bunch of cactuses and going up to each cactus and figuring out what it looks like, making fun of them. So, like I said, I'm making this video right here for my Aunt Cindy because of laying her dog to rest yesterday. So I'm sure this video is not going to get a whole lot of views because it's really going to be about my aunt. But a lot of you guys love Aunt Cindy. Me and Aunt Cindy, we always make jokes all the time about how she's got thousands of nieces and nephews out there that she's never met before. Because all you guys always call her Aunt Cindy also. So, maybe the video will do good because you guys love her. So, as you guys know, my aunt means the absolute world to me. She is my biggest inspiration in the world. I look up to her. I look up to her so much. The person that I strive to be every single day is my aunt. You guys know that I talk about practicing kindness a lot and being kind to others. And I'm kind to animals. That is everything Aunt Cindy is also. Honestly, I feel like she should have a big picture of her face in the dictionary right beside the word kindness. Okay, I got this little hill I'm gonna have to scramble down. Sorry for the glare of the sun. This would not be good to do in flip-flops. Gotta walk sideways. I know on camera it doesn't really look that steep, but it's pretty steep. So, gotta walk sideways. Oh, look at the pretty cactus over here. Watch where you're walking, Sarah. Keep an eye on the ground. Look at that cactus. Hello. It looks like, from this angle, it looks like two cactuses hugging each other. With the sun glaring on it. Alright, walking through these washes with a bunch of bushes around. Definitely have to keep my eye on the ground, so if I'm not looking at you guys while I'm talking, I hope y'all understand. So, I just want to make this video right here to tell my aunt what a special person she is. And I know it was hard losing another dog, because God forbid I do not look forward to that day when that comes with my little one. I just hope and pray that when that day comes, that I am not alone. That's going to be a hard day. But I think I have a while, so she's a spunky little thing. And you know, when you lose a loved one, like your dog, you question so many things. You really do. Should I have done this? Should I have done that? Was it the right time? And that's normal. It's very normal. Because it's hard. But I'll say one thing. I watch my aunt with her dogs. And I watch her dogs with her. And the bond that she has with all her dogs, and the bond that they have with her, is like no other. My aunt spoils her fur babies. Absolutely spoils them. And you can see the love in their eyes when they are around her. I mean, I like to consider myself the best dog mama in the world. But Aunt Cindy's pretty darn close. So, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, we did move campsites. Actually, pretty far away from where we were at before. We just wanted a change of scenery. And we're pretty far back. And for the ones that don't think I can still get to secluded spots deep in nature, it was a little trek with that school bus. Look at the... Why am I having a brain freeze right now? I cannot think of the... Cholas? That's probably not right. How cool. They're all up the mountain. I do plan on hiking, or at least attempting it, up to the top of one of these mountains one day. But look, Oh my goodness, they're just sitting here so pretty looking. It's like their own little spot. Hello guys. Nice for you guys to greet me. How cool is that? It's the littlest things in nature that amaze me. Oh, we got a little baby one. I'm like talking in this voice right here like I do to a little one, like these trees can hear me. Well, they can. Look at the baby. Look, it's a baby one. Don't worry, you'll get as tall as them. Have patience. But they're definitely protecting you. Yeah. There's so many spiky things on there that it looks like fur, and it's not fur. It's pointy sticker things. So don't touch them. They're all around. Oh, this is so beautiful. So whenever I'm going to hike up one of these mountains, oh, that's so cool. It's going to be like hiking through a little trail with these things. What are they called? I forgot. Oh my God. I know what they're called, and I'm just having a brain freeze right now. What are these things called? Leave it in the comment. Looks like there is like an off-road trail that's going through here. So I could just follow that up and work my way up the mountain. Not today though. It'll be on a cooler day. I don't want to do this hike filming the whole entire time because I really would like to enjoy the rest of this hike and reflect on some memories that I had with Rocky. Because he was such a precious dog, such a good dog. All her dogs were good. But I'd like to remember some of the good times, well, all the good times that I had with him. Laying on the couch, him snuggling me right beside me on the couch like a human. Getting excited and wagging his tail every time I would come visit. He always remembered me. And watching the little one interact with him. So, I'm going to finish this hike and just reflect on those memories of Rocky. But I'm going to end this video with some pictures of that beautiful boy and a little poem to go with those pictures that I wrote just for him and my aunt. So enjoy the pictures, enjoy the poem. And also, by the ways, yesterday was the day that my aunt had to put Rocky to rest. Today is her birthday. But she seems to be in good spirits. I'm sure she's having her moments. But if you guys want to drop in the comments a happy birthday to my aunt, I would greatly appreciate that. Because every time she sees her name in the comments of my videos, she gets a kick out of it. So everybody, please just take a minute and tell my Aunt Cindy the happiest birthday ever to the most amazing human in the world. And now I'm gonna go finish this hike. So enjoy these pictures and these memories and the beautiful poem. A loyal heart slipped softly into peace today. Rocky, with his bright knowing eyes, and that one-of-a-kind spirit that filled a room long before his paws ever did. He was more than a dog. He was a chapter in my family's story. A warm presence woven into birthdays, morning walks, and with every moment my Aunt Cindy gave him the kind of love only she knew how to give. He loved her back with a certainty that needed no words, in the way he followed her steps, in the way his tail answered her laugh, in the way his soul settled when she sat beside him. Some bonds are simply built forever. And although grief is sitting heavy, Rocky is not alone on his new path. He's run ahead to where Jade and Chelsea wait, all their tails wagging, spirits bright, a reunion of soft light beneath skies that never fade. No more pain, no more tired bones, just freedom and sunlight, and the joyful rhythm of three old friends again. But love doesn't leave when bodies do. It lingers, warm and steady, in the memories Rocky gifted us, in the echo of his paws across our hearts. He was family, and always will be.